In this video, I'll show you how to re-enable all Möbius user tours for your user profile if you want to reactivate all tours if they were previously disabled. Check out the Take a User Tour help topic and video guide for more information on exploring Möbius with a user tour. You can also view the Manage My Möbius User Tour Preferences help topic and associated video guides for more information on disabling and resetting user tours. To re-enable all user tours, click on your user profile name. You can then click Reenable User Tours. Note that the buttons available here are dependent on the previous actions that you've taken with user tours. So if I click on Reenable User Tours, a success message then appears showing that I've successfully re-enabled all user tours for my user profile. And that's how you re-enable all Möbius user tours for your user profile. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video to be helpful. Want to see what else you can do in Möbius? Be sure to check out the links to the Möbius online help in the video description, as well as our other Möbius video guides. Subscribe to the DigitalEd channel to be the first to know when a new video comes out. And don't forget to hit that like button.